Do you know why your stomach growls when you're hungry? Ever wondered why your stomach starts growling when you're hungry? That rumbling sound isn't just your belly crying for food, it's your gut in motion. Your digestive system keeps working, even when it's empty. Muscles in your stomach and intestines contract, pushing air and leftover food around. And those movements? They create the sound we call a growl. So next time your stomach rumbles, it's not being rude. It's just doing its job. Subscribe to FactPulse TV for more intriguing facts.